going to show how to set up the CF50. There's a flip chart on the machine that goes through steps 1 to 8, which are located on the machine in the white dots. And we're going to go through and point out how they work. Number 1 is the full width of the blank. So we're going to adjust the ratchet handle in. We want just enough room so that the box slides freely inside. Number 2 is the hopper height. The hopper height will be set to half the width of the box. We'll have to measure the box for this. Half the width of the box is 4 1/4. The box is 8 1/2. Adjust the hopper pump handle to 4 1/4. Next, we're going to load the hopper with boxes. Support the load the hopper with the blue tab facing out. We're going just like this. Gate goes up, push the boxes in. That's steps 1 and 2. Step 3 is the fingers. There's a top finger and a bottom finger. We're going to do the top fingers from this side. We want the finger to line up in the finger slot. The finger slot is here. Loosen this deal, move side to side. This one's move it up and down. I'd like to see no more than 1/4 of an inch of the finger down into the finger slot. Be able to see that more clearly from the other side. Let's move around to number 3 at the bottom. Second part of number 3 is the bottom finger. We're going to slide the bottom finger over so the finger lines up with the slot. Lock the handle. The height is already predetermined for the bottom finger. You can see better here at the top how far we want it to come down. Number 4 is here. Number 4 is the vacuum cups. We're going to adjust the vacuum cups on the major panel. Slide the trolley in. We want to center the tree, which is this post right here, right in the middle of the panel of the box. This is going to allow us to center the vacuum cups. So all I did was loosen up the handles down here for number 4. And then I can see where I was positioned in the middle. I want to try to position the cups so that they're in the 4 outermost corners of the major panel. If it's not possible to achieve that, we can use the top major as well. For this particular box, we're going to have to use the top major as well as the major panel. So I'm locking the hand knobs down with it centered, and then I'm going to move my cups up and down. Locking the knobs. In order to adjust the cup, pull this pin out, and move it whichever way it needs. That's it for number 4. Number 5 is the trolley stop. Adjust the trolley stop to half the width of the box, which you know is 4 1/4. There's a yellow indicator on the stop by the lock handle. It says 4 1/4, and lock it down. Number 6 is the full length of the box. indicator on the back of the pusher, number 6, and we'll put that on the full length of the box. The box is 10 inches long. Now we'll move back around to the other side. Number 7 is the drive. The drives are off adjusted to half the width of the box, which is 4 1/4. Number 8 is the sled height, and that's the full height of the box with the flap up. This particular box is 10.5. The scale is located at the end, indicator at the top, set that to 10.5.
Good.
Now we're going to start up and run it, right? Now we're going to start the machine and run it. We're going to pull back on the emergency stop, so it pops out, push the green button. It's lighted, so it'll light up. You know it's running. See the chain moving. We have a step feature and an automatic feature. The step feature allows us to go through each cycle to make sure all that our adjustments are correct. So now we can watch it over here as we go through it. Step 1, the trolley's going to come in. Step 2 is the vacuum. Step 3 is back in full position. Step 4 is folding the flaps up. 5 pushes the box. And that's it for the step cycle.